For this, synthesize the function f as written above using and or not gate. It's very easy for the part A. Part A is a function is given a times c prime plus a times b prime plus a prime b prime c. It means that the sense of the function f is written above using and or not gate. Okay, it's here it show that only for this function, and the function f is written above using only and or not gate. What is problem now? For example, a supreme is given. Okay, a is here is a supreme created. F is equal a supreme. Yes. What is problem?
Yeah, let me tell you. I written here some lines. For example, I designated 1 and 2 and 3 at the bottom of the page. You can see
1, 2,
2 and 3. Yeah.
Where's the 3?
3 at the bottom one. The simplest answer that you did it. You simplified the answer. Let me show.
No, right. You can write it here. You can write
it's here.
You.
It's here. 3.
It's here. Okay. 3 is here. Okay. Okay. For the part B, you asked for the part B, not part A.
Yes.
Okay. Part E, using Boolean algebra with the function f into minimize sum of the product SOP4. Okay. It's here is f is given a c prime plus a b prime plus a prime b prime c. Okay. We don't using, but it's very important. His here is number 10. His here is number 11. His here is number 12. His here is number 13.
Oh, because we cannot shift it. We cannot shift it.
We consider as don't care. That's right.
Don't care. Yes. Don't care. Yes. 10, care. 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is 1 is here. 14. Okay. And here is 15. Okay. It's very important. Number 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 are don't care. What is don't care? Don't care is not important. It's 1 or 0. Don't care. Don't care help us for our Carnot map is the simplified, more simplified. Okay. Now we want to design this code. For example, design to W. Okay, W. We have one Carnot map. How many Carnot map cell? 16. Why? Because A, B, C, D. We have it. Okay, 16.
Demultiplexer for telephone.
Telephone, yes. Telecommunication, yes.
Multiplexer.
The same. Multiplexer and demultiplexer is the same as telecommunication. Multiplexer, for example, this is in the line. And one line you can use a demultiplexer because we can't use it, for example, one of them. Have you remembered that the video film Charlie Chaplin, Asra Haja, and Charlie Chaplin is using that this is in the for the one. Okay, this is the one sim. This is another one. Is one. This is connected. The same as is multiplexer. For example, we want to, for example, Amir is building is here, and Amir D0 is he wants to call to D3 is malus, for example. Amir wants to connect to malus. Okay, Amir is the one for the one phone, wiring phone. What is the Amir code 00? What is the malus code? Malus code is 11. And Amir is 00, we know that. And this is the code 11. Okay, Amir is connected to malus. And only for the one wire. It means that we can, for client, only using wire. If we don't have any multiplexer and demultiplexer, to be honest, all of the city should be the wire for the previous years, because we didn't have any mobile or wireless. All of them is wire. And for example, if the Amir and Malus, this is a continue about the 2 hours, is about lovely story, okay, because this multiplexer and demultiplexer is working for the Amir and Malus. And if for example, Taqi حقی whilst they're using this multiplexer. Have you remembered that خط رو خط? Because it's مثل one multiplexer using. If you want, we can check. For example, we have this state, number 4. Okay, number 4 means that the A is 1, B is 0, C is 0. It means that the trace. Okay, check. Clock part is coming. It should be from the 4 going to 5. Did it happen or not? Check. TA is connected. From here, 0. For the 0, we know that the same is 0. 0, if the one bit is for the input gate and is 0, should be out with 0. Okay, 0 is here. TA is 0. Clock part is coming. What is the A? Change, 1 is change or not change? We want to try this is check because as from the 1, 0, 0, no change. Why? Because T0 is equal 0. If the T equals 0 is 0, no change. Okay, here is no change. And the same as before. What is that, the JK flip-flop? What's happening?
Excuse me, before going to for JK flip-flop, would you please repeat the check again?
Check, yes.
Thank you.
For example, we want to hear 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0. Okay? And clock part is coming. Clock part is coming, is check that what's happened. Is here TA is feedback from the here. And we know that previous time before the clock part is coming is 0. It should be the output of the AND gate, it should be 0. And 0 is feedback here. 0 is feedback here. And after that the clock part is coming, it means that the next state it should be no change. Same as the previous time. Okay, previous time is 1, and after that 0, previous time is 1. No change. How about the TB? You can check that the TB is feedback here. Feedback here, 0. For the previous time, is the because it's here is this state 1, 0, 0. Okay, it should be 0. 0 is feedback here and 0. TB is equal 0. For any flip is equal 0, the output is the same as the no change. Previous time was 0, next time again 0. And how about the TC? TC exactly connected 1. TC is here, exactly connected 1. 1 or VCC. VCC is 5 volt. 5 volt in digital is means that the 1. TC is 1, it means that this should be changed previous time. Next time it should be toggle. This is a toggle. Toggle is means that the previous time changed to next time. Okay, you can see previous time 0 and now next time is 1. And the output is 1, 0, 1. Okay. But another question. If the examiner asks you, okay, design this counter using the JK flip-flop. How to the design? 0, 0, 0. X is 0. What is the next 0, 1, 1? What is the output? Okay, please tell me. 0, 0, 0 and input 0. Where do you go? Where do you go? Tell me. Are you sleepy? Tell me. 0, 0 and input 1 is going to 1, 0, 0. What is the output?
1.
1. 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1 is here. Input is 0. What is the next time?
0, 0, 1.
And output is 0. This is itself. 0, 0, 1 is here. And input 1 is going to 1, 0, 0 and output is 1. 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, input 0. What is the next time? 1, 0, 1, 0 and output is 0. 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, input is 1, is here is 0, 0 and output is 1. Am I right or not? 0, 1, 0, input 0 is 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, input 1 is the next time is 0, 0 and output 1. 0, 1, 1 here. Input 0, where do you go? 0, 0, 1. 0, 1, 1, input 0, 0, 0, 1, and output is 0. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, and input is 1. We are going to 0, 1, 0, and output is 1. 0, 1, 1, and input is 1. The next state is 0, 1, 0, and 1, 0, 0 here. Input the 0, we can go 0, 1, 0. The output is 0. 1, 0, 0, input is 0. We can go at the out is 1, 0, 1, and output is 0. 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, input 1. The next state 0, 1, 1, and the output is 0. 1, 0, 0, input 1. The next state is 0, 1, 1. The output is 0. 1, 0, 1. We don't have it. Okay, don't care.
J Q prime plus K prime
J Q prime N plus K prime Q N. Okay. We are looking for the AT plus 1. AT plus 1. JK is equal JA times A prime plus K prime A times A. JA for the A prime plus K prime A times A. What is JA this here? BX plus B prime Y prime times A prime plus KA prime B prime X Y prime B K prime times A. B prime X Y prime A. Okay, continue. A prime times here. A prime BX plus A prime B prime Y prime plus, what is that? De Morgan. B plus X prime plus Y times A. AB plus AX prime plus AY. Modify the circuit so that it counts whenever an additional count enable CTE input is high. Stop counting when CTE goes low and resume continuous from where it stops when CTE goes high again. Mr. Abulfaz, please explain me. Modify the circuit so that it counts whenever an additional count enable. What is count enable? We have one input.
One input we should add.
One input should add, and if the one input is high, stop counting. And one input is 0, goes to counting.
What should start from?
Okay, it's here.
Where?
0 is here. 0, 0, 1. That is different. It's here is 0, 0, 1. And after that, number 2. After that, number 3. After that, number 4. After that, number 5. After that, number 6. After that, number 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay? Here. If the 0, we have the input. CTE is input. Do you agree with me? And CT input, for example, show that the X. It's very important for the final exam. We have the question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4, and we were only for the focus 4 question. In exam, we have the question 5 and question 6, and you can ignore 2 of them. And we have only for the 4 question, and we want to focus only these 4 questions. Okay. The question 1 is most of the time in question 1 is given about the, for example, the Boolean function. The Boolean function is given, and about the how to the finding the sum of product of the sum and this one. Okay, for example, question number 1, for example, is given f a b c or a b c d, doesn't matter. For example, this is the example. For example, we have for ab plus, for example, b prime c prime plus, for example, a c prime. Okay, is given, for example, this function or any function. For this function, for example, is ABC. ABC is means that in this function should be ABC. It means that each term it should be ABC, but it's here AB, B prime, C prime, and A C prime.